Yeah, IBB is also on fire recently. Another company that I'm invested in, and we spoke about a few times on Market Mondays. Biotech industry,
Yeah.
and I think it was $4 today.
Mhm.
It's been on a nice run uh,
You get some
recently.
big gains for a conservative investor. Good job.
Yeah.
So yeah, you might want to keep that on your watch list, or
That's a good
other
one.
biotech funds if you're interested.
Also, in addition, and we said this a couple of months ago, but when we see the cryptocurrency field rise, obviously there's ETFs that you can get into, and obviously we said block. And I admit, I think I said it on our group chat that I got in there at the wrong time, but I'm in the position. Block obviously has moved, is up 13% over the past week, and DAPP, another one of these cryptocurrency ETFs, is up 24% over the past week. And so both inside of those, you have companies like Square, Coinbase, MicroStrategy, Riot. A lot of people have invested in these in singular positions, but if you want to, save yourself the exposure, this is a safe way to be in the space with a little bit of protection. So DAPP and Block are two, I guess, I could say cryptocurrency ETFs. Yeah, I see you already calculating the prices. Go ahead, give it to them.
Yeah, what prices did you get in the block?
It's on, hold on a sec. It's on my computer.
You're gonna be good though.
Yeah. I have it long term, but I was down on it. Oh, I could actually do it for my
4, 5, 6. Yeah, they've had 6 positive quarters. Yeah, you'll be good. I mean, if you guys want a price, 41.17 is decent. If it gets to 33.68, I'll be elated. That would be like a low to bow price. But yeah, if you got in, even in 50s, you'll be good. Give it like end of year, we should be at 63.
Yeah, I actually did a call for $70 for December.
Oh, you'll be good. Yeah, and Dan said he's averaging. I think Dan said he's averaging at $25. Damn. Shout out to the earners that's killing that.
Yeah, shout out to Dan. He's in the chat going crazy.
Yeah.
You want to open it up?
Yeah, let's get some questions.
Let's do it. I see some new name right here. DJ Singh, we coming to you. Unmute yourself. You've been unmuted. What's going on?
Oh man, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh man, I'm really on EYL, man. That's crazy. Shout out to y'all. I've been listening since April of 2020.
Yo, you got that deep Pop Smoke voice. I see you.
Anyway, man. So I'm gonna break down what it is. So this question might be all over the place. So what I do is I don't teach, but I encourage people to invest because I'm not a financial advisor. And I've gotten like 4 people to invest so far. And I want to continue to do that. But I don't know, as of late, it's kind of been like creeping up is sort of like I got like a fear of getting pushed back. Like if people make a bad trade or if people don't really follow the advice I'm giving them that I'm the one that's going to get some pushback. And so y'all been doing this for a while and y'all really get good at it, all 3 of y'all. So I just wanted to know if y'all had any pointers.
Yeah. I don't. Go ahead, Rashad.
I think the first thing is to, it's a good question because that's why even to this day, I'm very leery about the advice that I give people, even like friends, family, like they'll hit me like, I got $5,000. What should I do? And I'm like, I don't know what you should do.
That's a great answer.
Like to make an investment and then it doesn't go the way that they expected it to go, and then they blame me. I never want to lose anybody money. So first thing I would do is I would encourage everybody to make decisions for themselves, educate them on investing fundamentals, but I would stay away from giving them picks.
Mm-hmm.
I would stay, that's just my own personal opinion, because you don't want to be responsible for somebody else's money, especially if you're not a fiduciary. That's just not a road that you want to go down. That's just my opinion. And then the second thing is I would, just lead by example. You don't necessarily have to tell them, but, if you can kind of talk to them like, look, this is the play that I'm making, da, 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 da. I'm not saying that you should do this, but, let's just see how this works out for me. I did that with crypto. When we first got into crypto in 2017, we had a group chat. All of my friends, Troy, Mike, a lot of guys that you see us with now, Earn Your Leisure. And I was the first one to invest in crypto. And I put like $6,000 and I put $3,000 in Bitcoin. I put 2,000 in Litecoin, and I put 1,000 in Ethereum. No, 2,000 Ethereum, 1,000 Litecoin. So I told them, like, look, I'm not telling y'all to invest in this, but this is what I'm doing. I'm still learning about the space. If y'all interested, this is just what I'm doing. And then, they all ended up investing in cryptocurrency, but I didn't tell them to invest in that. I just let them know what I did. So that would be my advice. But yeah, you definitely want to be careful.
Yeah, I think that he nailed it. It's really just leading by example. Even if you listen to the things that we say, most of the times we'll tell you what we're actually doing, not that you should. These are the things that we're investing in. Because a lot of times people feel very cautious and they feel apprehensive about doing things. And so if you see somebody do it and have success, you're more likely or inclined to do it. And so we're very careful about that. And even in our group chats, like yeah, this is what we're doing. These are the plays that we're making. Not to saying that you have to, because everybody's situation is different, but it's just like, it's a form of guidance without actually saying, do this.
Yeah, I feel it. Yeah, I appreciate y'all. I was trying to start young.
Quick question. Why do you want to tell them where to get in or what to get? Like, what's the motivation behind it before I answer?
What I do is, okay, so let me get a little look back. I'm only 19 and I've been doing this since I've been doing this since I was like 16, but what I've been doing as of recently is I've just been like I put presentations together and I'll tell people like, this is what I look for in a stock. And I got the 3 C's as someone came up with: current, competitive edge, and cash. That's what I've been trying to do. And I try to give away from giving picks. Like I'll use examples, like the main example I use is Nike. But yeah, like I don't really try to tell people where. I'm just trying to get people into it because I found out about investing on accident. And so I know it's important now, and I'm trying to get other people in to realize that this is a way.
I'll tell you this. Even with Market Mondays, like for me, my motivation to do it was to help. The back end was career-wise. So like being of a darker hue, when I went to certain meetings, people were like, you didn't know. So I'm like, if I tell you every week and make these calls and tell you where shit is going to go, the meetings go a little bit different. I would tell you though, you have to be careful and like look at Rashad's face. Play this back when he was like, I'm very leery of. Why? The downside risk of getting sued is tremendous. That's why even like from a strategic standpoint, it would take an act of God for Apple and Microsoft and VOO to go out of business at the same time. Like I've calculated it, it's less than half of 1/2%. Certain shit I will not say publicly about what I like. When you be like, hey, what do you like? Neo? Listen, no. The best advice I can give you is to execute and do, because even the ones that you're going to reach, they're going to be inspired by your success. You can push them all you want to. It's great generational wealth. You see me say it every week. And how many people do you know still be like, man, I don't like Apple, Microsoft. If they can see my baby's account, though, be different. But make sure that you're doing it for you and putting in the work and investing in your own. And if someone asks to see when you show them, their face will light up and they'll do it. But don't focus so much on teaching, focus on the doing. Like I'm a terrible teacher. The execution part is the part that I have now. That's the only part that matters.
And people, they'll forget you can make the money 100 times, and then the one time that you lose money, that's what they remember.
Yep.
That's how it always goes. But that's great, man. 19 years old, man. It's dope that
that's incredible. I wish I was like tapped in like that at 19.
Keep up the great work.
Shout out to DJ Singh. Just focus on the impact of your work, bro. Just keep focusing on 19. They're gonna see.